Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cover the top 5 questions that new tap dancers ask. In fact, they're the top 5 questions that you guys, my subscribers, have asked. So I'm going to try my best to answer those questions for you today. Go ahead and grab yourself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and we'll get started. I actually decided to move inside and have my coffee inside because for some reason the background noise outside is crazy today. On to our first question. Do I need to buy tap shoes in order to learn how to tap? Well, the answer to that question is no and yes. And I will tell you what I mean by that. If you are a teen or an adult that's learning how to tap dance, I would highly recommend that you just hold off on buying tap shoes until you know for sure that you want to keep going with this. Tap shoes, good, solid tap shoes, can be a bit pricey. So do the beginning tutorial series. Once you're through that series and you have decided that yes, I do want to become a tap dancer, I want to keep going, I want to keep learning, then at that point in time, I would definitely say that you should invest in a good pair of tap shoes. I'm not gonna lie, tapping is much easier with actual tap shoes for a few reasons. Number one, you can really focus on the quality of your sound, which is what tap's all about. And also they glide on the floor much better than tennis shoes do. I'm gonna be making a video soon about the different types of tap shoes that you can purchase and the different brands and all of that. But in the meantime, if you are an advanced tapper or intermediate tapper, or if you're a beginning tapper and kind of want to do a little bit of dreaming and you want to see some reviews of some more expensive, more professional level tap shoes, head on over to Shelby Kaufman's YouTube channel. Shelby has done a great job of reviewing a lot of different styles of tap shoes, a lot of different brands of tap shoes. And in fact, my most recent pair of tap shoes, which I love, were recommended by Shelby on her YouTube channel. Okay, question number 2. And this is more of a statement and not so much of a question. I got a statement on my YouTube channel. If I were younger, I would learn to tap. Isn't tap just for young people? Okay, absolutely not. People of any age can learn how to tap. Now, I will say that you should make sure that your doctor approves of any kind of exercise program that you're doing. If you want to start tapping, no matter what age you are, you need to talk to your doctor and make sure that it's okay for you to do so. But tap dancing is for people of any age. I taught a class in Houston, Texas for a while that was at a retirement facility. Everyone in the class was over 65 and they had a blast. So please, please, please do not let age limit you. Question number 3, what do I need in order to get started? Other than the desire to have fun and learn something new, I would say the biggest things that you need are maybe comfortable clothes. It also helps if you're going to have time to actually practice. There is a learning curve with learning how to tap dance, and so you definitely need to practice. And finally, you need some patience because it will get frustrating. I still get frustrated when I'm learning advanced tap moves. You just need to know that it's gonna come. Now, just like with the tap shoes, as you get more serious with tap dancing, you can invest in a tap floor, which I have. And I will put the link down below in the description to that floor, but you can also make one at home. Go to Home Depot, go to Lowe's, go to your local hardware store and get a slat of wood. One major note about tap floors, especially if you're making one on your own, you need to have some sort of shock absorption underneath your tap floor. Now, a lot of pre-made tap boards come with this shock absorption. Mine did, although I still added more. Currently, I have some exercise, some kind of bouncy, what's the word? That's not the word. Squishy is the word I'm looking for. Squishy exercise mats that go underneath my tap board, and it just helps absorb the shock so that my joints are not hurting so badly. I will also put a link to those mats that I have underneath my dance floor in the description box below. If you end up clicking on any of the links that are in my description box, just know that some of them might be affiliate links. There is absolutely no fee to you. Basically, what this just means is if you click through my link and you purchase a product, product. If it's an affiliate link, the company might give me a little bit of commission for referring you over to them. And since this is the channel that gives back, 20% of that commission will be donated to charity. Okay, number 4. Do I have to have previous dance training to start tapping? This is a great question. Abso-frickin-lutely not. Tapping is for everyone. It's not only for people of every age, but it is for people who have never taken dance before, people who have taken dance before, anyone who wants to try it. I will say, if you are a musician, especially if you are a percussionist, you might find that tap dancing comes a little bit more easily to you than it does to others. Just saying. But basically, any and all are welcome. And finally, question 5. Is tap dancing good exercise? Yeah. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen a video I posted a couple weeks back. I had just finished a virtual tap class at Broadway Dance and I was a sweaty mess. I was literally wet from head to toe and exhausted, and it felt great. Tap dancing is great cardio. It also strengthens your ankles and your feet. It defines your calves. Awesome. One thing that you probably wouldn't expect, tap dancing is really good for your core. Benefits all around, just all around. I haven't even had any of my coffee. I've been so excited talking to you guys. Haven't even had any. Hold on. Foam. Best part about it is that tap dancing is so much fun, it does not even feel like exercise. All those endorphins are going, so yes, tap dancing is great exercise. Now that we have finished our 5 questions, on to the disclaimer. As I mentioned earlier, you should always consult a doctor before you start any kind of exercise program, and that includes learning tap. I'm going to put my disclaimer up here now, so definitely take a look at it. And if you don't have enough time to read it on the screen right now, my disclaimer is in the description box of each and every video that I put out. Okay guys, I hope I was able to answer your questions for you. If you have any additional questions for me, or you have recommendations or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Otherwise, it is time for you to start tapping. You can take your first step by starting the beginning tap tutorial series. And fair warning, you just might have fun and get hooked. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, give my videos a thumbs up, and if you know of someone that you think would like to learn how to tap, go ahead and send this video over to them. Thanks guys, have a great day.